I just installed this brand new Bosch dishwasher, which I absolutely love, a couple of days ago, but the first time I ran it, it leaked. It leaked from the front on the right corner there, but it could leak from anywhere in the front, related to an issue that I'm going to show you here that is common among Bosch dishwashers, and you will not believe why it was leaking. And I thought it was a bad gasket, or maybe I had installed this wrong, but it was not that. So the first time we ran it and it was leaking, one thing that I realized, and I came across it because of the guy on this channel here who spotted this. It's his super old video, but I can't believe Bosch hasn't addressed this yet. But it's something inside of the machine right there on ours, and yours may be located in another part of the dishwasher that is a vent. Yours may be located on the right side. I've seen some that are located here in the door. But what happened was, and I'll show you what happened, was we had a plate. So we had the plates in, there are several plates here, but we had a plate right there. You notice that plate is going to cover up that vent. And for some reason, when there is a plate, and it could also be a cutting board, I think people have experienced cutting boards being over that vent, and when you go to run it, and when it hits the wash cycle, the water somehow gets into that vent, and it must vent through this part of the dishwasher or somewhere in that area, somewhere in the front, and water was dripping out. I had to put a bowl under it to capture the water so it wouldn't soak our floor. So if you have a Bosch dishwasher, and I'm not sure if this is common among any other brands of dishwashers, but I know there's a lot of people that have experienced it with Bosch's, do not put anything over that vent. So what you can do is just keep it away, or like what we've been doing is, it's okay to put a bowl there. Well, actually that's too tall. Just bringing it back, because last night we ran it and we had a bowl right there like that, and it wasn't really an issue, because the water's dripping down in front of that vent. And just don't put anything high that's gonna go up above that vent and cause water to drop down into it. So just wanted to share this with you. If you have a Bosch and you have a leak in the front, you cannot figure out what it is, or even if you have a brand new one and it starts leaking like that, check that vent and make sure not to have anything cover it. So hope this helps you out with your dishwasher. Thanks for watching.